Carbon is unique in terms of its valence shell electrons. This makes it a very useful building block for the complex compounds found in living things. While diamonds can be beautiful, carbon moving from an inorganic form as carbon dioxide in our atmosphere to organic forms starting with the sugars produced by photosynthesis is key to life on Earth. Carbon has an atomic number of 6. This means that it has 6 protons in its nucleus. It also has 6 electrons. 4 unpaired electrons are found in the outer, or valence, shell. This means that carbon can share these electrons with up to 4 different atoms, forming covalent bonds. In addition to carbon, compounds important to life are formed from the elements shown here. Hydrocarbons are shown on this graphic, but they are not biological compounds. They are present in fossil fuels, however. The elements shown are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. We will discuss the different classes of biological molecules shown here in a later lecture. The organic compounds found in living things form by covalent bonding between the atoms of the different elements involved. As you remember from a previous lecture, these bonds form by the sharing of valence electrons. Carbon can form many different structures, including straight chains like those seen in these lipid molecules. Lipids are one group of biological molecules that we will be taking a deeper look at in our next lecture. Carbon can also form ring structures, like the glucose shown here. Those ring structures are used to assemble more complex branching chains, like the glycogen molecule shown in this image. Glycogen is stored in our muscles and liver. Some organic compounds have incredibly complex structure, like the protein shown here. Carbon chains, rings, and sheets all contribute to the complexity of this hemoglobin molecule. In our next lecture we will explore these groups of biological molecules in greater depth.